Okay, thank you. I hope you watched the first video and I believe you have done all what I said. So in this course we are going to have about 4 modules. At each of the module I'm going to take you by the hand and tell you what copywriting is all about. Meanwhile, this course is Copywriting Masterclass, how you can make minimum $1,000 even in recession. So I'm going to take you through what copywriting is all about, how to start copywriting, the tricks, and how to make your first sale on copywriting. So but before that, I'm gonna start with what is copywriting. Okay, this course I'm gonna tell you what is copywriting. I'm gonna give you the 6 basic principles of copywriting, the 8 elements of a sales copy, the 10 powerful banking block of copywriting, and in the third module I'm gonna give you what 5 copywriting tips for beginners, 7 copywriting exercises you can start to do now to become a good copywriter. Okay, 7 powerful ways to write a better sales copies. That's it. I'm going to tell you how to become a copywriting expert, 7 exercises for copywriting, 9 copywriting exercises you can start today as a beginner, and also 5 ways to write a killer headline. And also I'm gonna be revealing at the end of this course 10 copywriting books that you need to read so that you can become a better copywriter. But before I go into that, that's what we are going to copy. And at the end, that's module 4, I'm gonna tell you how to start your copywriting journey, how to get your first client on the social media, even though you don't have any portfolio, even though you don't have anything, even though you are just starting out as a newbie, how to get your first copywriting client. And also I'm going to show you how to get your first copywriting client on Fiverr. Okay, the case study on this last one is going to be Fiverr, and also how to get a new copywriting client on the social media handle. Okay, so I know a lot of people have been asking me, Sam, this Fiverr thing is too complicated. You don't need to worry about that, because at the end of this video I'm gonna take you through that. And a lot of my students, a lot of people that have worked together have proven that this thing is working, and also it's working for me. But I'm not using Fiverr at the moment, but I'm gonna show you how to make money with Fiverr. Okay, so number 1, what is copywriting? That's what we are going to treat on the beginning of this course. What exactly is copywriting? A lot of people, I know, maybe you have seen you have seen copywriting posts before. Copywriting is this, copywriting is that, but what exactly is copywriting? Copywriting is salesman in print. It's writing to make money, writing to convert people from not knowing what you are currently doing or what your business is all about, to knowing. Copywriting is the act of writing a persuasive text that will convert people from customer to buyer, that will convert people from follower to buyer. So if you can write anything that will convert people, that will make people, that will trigger people to ask you questions, that will trigger people to want to know more about what you are currently selling, or that people will come out, remove their credit card and purchase what you are about to sell or what you are selling. That is the act of copywriting. Copywriting again is the act of persuading people to write. It's a salesman in print. Okay, so that's that for it. And in the next module I'm gonna tell you some blocks and some things that you need to know about copywriting.